we have some questions about your dog wash. How
Okay.
has the dog wash been performing? I've seen them with car washes, but not in laundromats. So how, someone's asking, how is it performing? Is the dog wash like a separate area within your store? Is it blocked off, or can people see you doing that? I mean, is it a
Yeah.
separate space? And
Yeah.
how's it doing?
Both of those are great questions. So first, I'll do about the appearance. I say I have it at two of my three locations. I can have. I have one. The first one, it's a freestanding building that's out in the parking lot. It was like a shipping container, and so that was been there. I mean, it does about 5,000 a month. So I mean, I'm okay with that. I mean, it does pretty good. My newest one I just did, we built as a brand new strip mall. And anyway, so I actually had space. I'm going back to, I would never ever put one inside my laundromat. The smells are terrible. No matter
Yeah.
how great your ozone is, you can't cover that stuff up. So it's, I mean, I had to go get, in Oklahoma, we have pot farms everywhere. But anyway, people know they smell terrible. I had to go get a marijuana grow filtration system and put it on my dog wash just to
Wow.
scrub the smell out. And I mean, and that's the, I mean, in that room is totally sealed off from the laundromat, thank goodness. But yeah, so you would never want that in the same area because it smells terrible. It'd be like opening up a smoke shop inside your laundromat type deal. But so I'd say, yeah, I mean, it's profitable. And well, I would only do it if you have space. In my opinion, I'd rather have, I mean, if I had the space, if inside a store, I'd rather have two or three more washers making more money. But as I said, in this case, it made sense because I had a space I could carve out inside my warehouse where I do all my commercial wash and fold. So it
Good.
just happened to work out really well for us.
Perfect. Great responses. Good.